and welcome back to my holiday organizing tips series, where I upload new organizing tips daily to maybe help you get a little more organized this holiday season. In today's video, I am going to talk about getting rid of the old so you can make room for the new. And this is something that a lot of people don't think about before the holiday season because they are so focused on getting all the decorations, getting the cards out, getting the house just right, doing all the cooking and cleaning and stuff like that. You got to anticipate there is going to be this tidal wave of new items coming into your home. So in order to keep your holiday season a little more organized, you have to make room for those potential new items that will be coming into your home. So let's start with the children, because here is a very interesting fact. The average 10-year-old American child owns over 200 toys, yet plays with only 12 regularly. Encourage your children to let go of the toys that they are no longer playing with, that they no longer have a use for, they've outgrown, and create room for the new toys that are coming in. Try to approach purging their toys with a very positive attitude. And what I mean by that is, if the toys are in pretty good condition and they can be donated to some charity, accentuate that positive of them letting go of that toy, okay? Tell them about how some child who doesn't have toys like they do is going to be overjoyed to receive that toy this holiday season. Don't focus on what they're letting go of. Focus what they are giving to someone else and what joy that will bring. So purge the excess now so that you are not facing chaos after the holidays. And it's not just the kids who have to deal with purging the old to make room for the new. Okay, we as adults are getting new electronics, we're getting new sweaters, we're getting all these new things, and yet we have not made room for them. So go through your closet, purge those old sweaters, purge those old purses, purge those old belts, old ties, old electronics. Make room for the new stuff coming in. You will be thanking yourself after the holidays when you don't have to scratch your head going, where the heck am I going to put this? Because it's simply physics, folks. Follow me, I'll show you what I mean. Okay, this is your house full of stuff, a full cup. Here comes Christmas 2020, and you get a ton of more stuff, and we try to put it into our house, and look what happens. All right? It doesn't work. But if you take my suggestion and purge a lot of the old before the new comes in, there we go, purging the old. Okay, we still have some. Now we can fit all of the new in. And it's organized. Okay, so before it gets any closer to the holiday season, start purging that old so you have room for the new. I hope you found this tip helpful. If you would like even more holiday organizing tips, I have created a 55-page downloadable PDF filled with organizing to-do lists, templates, and even more holiday organizing tips to hopefully make your holidays just a little more organized. If you'd like to get that PDF, I'll put the link in the description box below. And be sure to check back tomorrow for another holiday organizing tip. Take care. See you later.